We are pleased to show you the 2019 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, universal garage door opener, fog lights, power windows. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.